channel EduBase Coaching. Today we will see Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities, Exercise 8.1. First problem is find the ratio of the following. In this exercise we will see the problems on ratio and percentage. So find the ratio of the following. Speed of cycle is 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter is 30 km. We have to find out the ratio. So like speed of problem 1, speed of cycle is to speed of scooter. So speed of cycle is what? 15 km per hour. Speed of scooter is what? Is 30 km per hour. So what is ratio? Ratio is fraction. So 15 upon 30 equals to 15 ones are 50, 15 to the 30. So it will be 1 upon 2, which is equals to 1:2. This is A part. Now second is B part is what? 5 meter to 10 km. 10 km. So in this problem units are different. Here is meter and here is kilometer. So we have to make the unit same. By changing the bigger unit to smaller unit is easier to us because we have to multiply the value. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 10 into 1000 equals to 10,000. So it will be 5 upon 10,000. It is meter. It is also meter. So it will be 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10. 1 upon 2000. So ratio will be 1:2000. It's easy to convert the rupees into paise. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So we have to multiply 5 multiplied by 100. We will get 500 paise. So it will be 50 upon 500. This will be 1 upon 10. So the ratio will be 1:10. So let's see next problem. What is next problem? Problem number 2. Convert the following ratios to percentage. 3:4. First one is 3:4. Problem 2. Ratio to percentage. So first ratio is given 3:2. 3:4. Sorry. First ratio is 3:4. We have to convert it into percentage. So as I told you, ratio means fraction. So 3:4 means 3 upon 4. For converting it into percentage, multiply it by 100. It will be 4 1s are 4, 4 25s are 100. So it will be 75%. Next one is 2:3. Again it is in fraction 2 upon 3 multiplied by 100. So multiplication of fraction, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. It will be 200 upon 3. So 56 integer 2 upon 3%. Now let's see next problem. Problem number 3. 72% of students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? So it is problem related to percentage. Problem 3. 7 students good in mathematics equals to 72%. So we have to find out the students who are not good in maths. and 72% of 25 are good in maths. Total students equals to 25. And students not good in maths, so it will be good in maths. It will be out of 100, 72% are not good in maths, so 28% students are not good in math. Now we have to find out the number of the students who out of 25 who are not good in math. So we can do like this: 78% of 25. Now it is 28%, means 28 upon 100 multiplied by 25. When there is a percentage sign given, means it is 28 out of 100. So that's why we have to do for 28 upon 100 multiplied by 25. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 4 ones are 4 and 4 sevens are 28. So the number of students who are not good in maths are students are not good in maths. 7 students are not good in maths. Next problem. Next problem is a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Now football team won 10 matches. Football team won matches equals to 10. Out of total matches they played, we don't know how many matches they played, so total matches equals to X. If their win percentage was 40, win matches are 10 and win percentage 40, then find the total matches, how many matches they played. So 40% of X equals 40% of X equals to 10. Own matches are 10, they own 40% matches, and total matches they play X. Out of X they play own 10 matches, so we have to take 40% of X, which is equal to 10. So 40% means 40 upon 100 multiplied by X equals to 10. So we have to transpose this value to this side. 10 upon 100 it will become multiplied by 100. This is multiplied by 40, so this will become upon 40. So this 0 will cut, and we will get X equals to 10 into 10, 100 upon 4, which will be 25. So the total matches they played equals to 25. Now next problem. If Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 70% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So let us consider she had X rupees in the beginning. Total money equals to X, and she spent 75% equals to 75%. So left rupees are given, which is equal to left money equals to rupees 600. So spend are 75%, so left money in percentage are, out of 100 she spent 75%, so she had 25% money left. So 25% total money she had X, 25% of X, 25% of X equals to 600 rupees. Then calculate this: 25 upon 100 multiplied by X equals to 600. Now X equals to 600 multiplied by 100. This is in division, so it will become multiplication, this is multiplication, it will become division. 1 are 25, 25 4 are 100. So x equals to 2400. She had 2400 rupees in the beginning, rupees. Now problem number 6. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other game, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. This we have to calculate the number of people like other games, and we have to find the number of people who like each type of game. So it is given total people are, problem number 6, total number of people equals to 50 lakh. Then out of which 60% like cricket and 30% like football. So first we have to calculate how many people like each type of game. So 60% of 50 lakh. %60 of 50 lakh equals to 33 lakh. One, two, three, four, five zeros, so it is 3 lakh. $30 lakhs, it is 30 lakh. Then 30% people like football, this is 30 lakh, and 30% of 50 lakh equals to 50 lakh equals to 15 lakh. So these are the total number of people who like 30% and 60% who like football and cricket. Now add these two numbers, so we will get the people who like other number. Out of 50 lakh people, 3 lakh people like football, cricket, and 15 lakh people like football. So it will be 50 lakh minus 45 lakh, which will be 5 lakh. So 5 lakh people like other game. So what now we have to find out the number of people, percentage of the exact number of the people who like other grade. Okay, so 5 lakh out of 50 lakh into 100. 5 lakh people like other game, so 5 lakh out of 50 lakh into 100. So this 0 will be cut, so it will be 10%. So thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.